Welcome back, all my YouTube followers, my YouTube subscribers. Definitely appreciate y'all. Definitely appreciate y'all. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Definitely comment, definitely share this. This content is shareable. This content is teachable. And this content is really showing you that each one teach one. Any knowledge on this channel should be shared. Any knowledge on this channel should be shared because this is the Wealth and Wellness channel brought to you from your favorite traveling entrepreneur, Mr. Jones Jr. It's a beautiful day in South Carolina. It's a beautiful day. Mini blog with Jones. I got some things to do today. Take y'all with me to the office. Y'all already know. Follow Jeep Up with Jones. All right, all settled in. The post office, grab some mail. Stop at the gas station, gas up. Probably grab me a smoothie from one of my favorite spots.
ESTV word of the day.
All my G people out there. Yes, it's a gorgeous car. It's a beautiful car. I love the car. Love traveling in this car. It can get through anything, rain, slime, sleet, and snow. I love this car. When I became a traveler, I knew I was gonna get a Jeep. I knew I always wanted a Jeep Wrangler, but $85 to $90 every fill up though, y'all. All right, man. Let's go up here and set up. I'm gonna show y'all around. I'm your favorite traveling entrepreneur, Mr. Jones Jr., and this is the Wealth and Wellness channel.
Day in the life of a traveling entrepreneur, just a little mini blog. Office is like 5 minutes away from the beach. Beautiful view. So if you guys never been to Myrtle Beach, make sure you guys click the link in the bio. Jones Travels and Tours. You guys can register to my travel agent website, and I can get you guys to Myrtle Beach.